Hey guys, glad to see you in my new YouTube video. My name is Nick and today I want to make a review on the Stardust app. So what is this app? Stardust is a period, pregnancy and hormone tracker health app where it teaches you how to work with the phases of your cycle. So I want to show you how to install this app, how to use it and how to create an account in this application. So let's get started by installing the app on your device. So first of all, open App Store if you use an iOS device, or open Play Store if you use an Android device as me. And now type in the search box Stardust. Okay, at the very top you can see the necessary application and you can already install it. Just tap on this button. So only 36 megabytes. And honestly, I like the design of the app because it's better than Flow app, for example. So right here you can see how this app looks like. This is screenshots of the app. Notifications that keep it real, track all the fun symptoms, align your cycle with the moon, go deeper into your cycle phases, and sync with your close friends. And of course, get daily insights on your hormones. Also, at the very bottom, you can find a lot of good reviews. I really like this app, absolutely love this app. Such a great educational app that's also fun. Okay, good. Let's try to open and use the app ourselves. Tap on open at the very top. Well, we are greeted with this page, Stardust, and right here you can sign up with Google or sign in with an existing account. So I haven't an account in this app. Well, I'll tap on sign up with Google, and now I need to choose my Google account. Okay, let's select this one. Oh, and on the next page I have to choose my journey. So there are 5 options: period tracking, preventing pregnancy, trying to conceive, pregnancy tracking, and following a partner. Okay, and for example, let's select the first one, period tracking. Here I have to enter my date of birth. So when was your most recent period? Here you can import data from other apps, for example, like Flow app or another one. Of course, you can input manually, or if you can't remember, tap on this button, I can't remember, or I don't have periods. So let's, for example, tap on input manually and select the date. So for men, this app will be of little use, but I'm showing it more for the female audience, of course. So let's select these dates and tap on next. And now enter your average cycle length. Are you on birth control, none, patch, ring, implant, or another one? So just choose the right option for you and tap on next, of course. Okay, and here you can subscribe for $3 per week, or for $25 per year, or you can just tap on cancel at the top left corner. Okay, tap on cancel, and we can finally use the app. Oh, and I already can see a lot of features. So at the very bottom you can see 5 tabs. And now I'm on the main page where I can see all the information about cycle day. You can view your history by day by swiping left or to the right. Okay, go to the second tab. So here is the same information, just in a slightly different form. Oh, and in the middle at the bottom there is the plus icon. If you click on it, you can add symptoms. So birth control, for example, pill. So choose flow, for example, light, medium, heavy, or crime scene. You can add notes and so on. And after that, just tap on save at the very bottom. And also on the main page you can scroll down and read useful tips and insights. Okay, go to this tab, and here you can share cycle with someone. You can add friends cycle. So what you can ask your partner to download this app and he'll see all the information about you. So to do it, you can tap on share cycle, and here you'll see your code. You can share it, just tap on this button and send it to your partner. So he should also click on the add friends cycle button right here, and enter your code right here. And after that, tap on Add Friend. Oh, and on the last tab, you can find the cycle type. And in the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear icon. You can tap on it and change the information about yourself. You can upgrade your plan if you want. You can change your cycle length, period length, and of course you can edit your account info right here. And there is the logout button at the very bottom. So it was a small review on the Stardust app. I think I've covered everything, and I really hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can put a like under this video and leave your comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.